Hi there, Egon here. Welcome back. So, the garden came, I think it was yesterday. Did the garden. It's quite early in the morning, it's a bit colder. It's down here, eating some grass. Looking around. Look, it's in the background. It's trotting around over here. I think it's still sniffing for some grass. Because there's still long bushes out on it. Want to taste the grass. Blowing down there. You haven't really got him down there. Why don't we come over here? Perfect. You can see his head through the grass. It's chewing on grass. So, that's it for now. Just eating on some grass. See you at next episode, in episode 10 of Cute Ragdoll Cats Exploring Garden. Bye. With eating grass. Ask your cat to eat some grass today. Bye.